This is the Northwest Training Development Team and Pathways Coronavirus Update. Today's update shares information on the changes the government announced will take place between now and Monday the 15th of June. Last night, the Prime Minister said that from this weekend, adults who live on their own or who only live with children under 18 can link with one other household in a support bubble. People who are forming a support bubble can act as though they live in the same household. This means they can spend time together inside each other's homes and they don't need to stay 2 meters apart. They can stay over in each other's homes. People who are in a support bubble must only be with one other household. You can't switch the household that you're in a bubble with. You can't connect with more than one household. If any member of a support bubble develops symptoms of coronavirus, then everyone in that bubble must follow the advice and self-isolate. Support bubbles are only for people who live alone or live alone with their children. They're not for anyone else. Everyone else must still keep 6 feet or 3 steps away from anyone they don't live with. Support bubbles don't apply to people who are shielding. People who are shielding are still asked to stay at home and not form support bubbles. From this weekend, places of worship like churches and mosques can open for people to pray on their own. People won't be able to gather in congregations. Other changes are happening from this Monday, the 15th of June. People visiting or going for appointments at a hospital will be asked to wear a face covering if they can. All hospital staff will be wearing masks when you visit or go for an appointment at the hospital. From Monday, dentists can start to see their patients again. Some young people in secondary schools might start to have some time with their teachers again from Monday. This is being done differently in different schools in different areas. Shops can start to reopen from Monday as long as they can support people to stay socially distant and safe from spreading the virus. Outdoor attractions like safari parks and drive-in cinemas can open. Zoos will be able to open their outdoor spaces to visitors. All shops and businesses must be able to support people to stay socially distant. This means that if we're visiting shops or attractions, things might seem a little different. There might be restrictions on the number of people who can go in. We might be asked to take our temperature before we go in. From Monday, most people must wear face coverings if they are on public transport, buses or trains. Very young children under 2 and people who are unable to wear face coverings safely will not have to wear them. We are still asked to avoid public transport wherever we can. Some things are changing between now and Monday. More places will be opening. There might be new rules for us to follow in places we visit so that we can keep each other safe. Some adults who live alone or with children under 18 will be able to link with one other household. We must all still take care to keep to the rules so we keep each other safe and help stop the spread of the virus.